ganun ka vocal about it. Kasi meron tayong, alam mo yun, sobrang, it's a taboo topic dito sa Pilipinas. But there was a time in my life that I thought, kahit surrounded ako with friends, nangyari to habang may trabaho ako, surrounded with friends, at ngumingiti sa harap ng fans. Nagkaroon ako ng inner struggle that I am not enough. I am not good enough. I will never be enough. And lahat ng iniisip ko nung time na yun, how can I end this? Because I am in so much pain. Na up to the point na yung sakit na yun, naging sobrang stagnant, na yun na yung emotion ko. Hindi na ako nakakaramdam ng happiness. I don't feel fulfilled sa lahat ng ginagawa ko. And palagi ko iniisip, paano kaya, yung pinaka-worst na isip ko nung time na yun, ano kaya yung nasa isip ng mga taong nagsusuicide? Ano kaya yung thought nila before jumping, before cutting their own wrist, their own neck? How can they hang them? Because I want to learn it. I want to know that idea para lang matapos na yun. And I'm so thankful that even though I have those thoughts, parang meron pa rin parang glimmering tunnel na, huy, dito ka. Kasi hindi lang ikaw yung nakakaramdam ng ganyan. At merong mga taong nagmamahal sa'yo, who genuinely loves you and cares for you. And if nag-give up ka ng sarili mo, please don't give up on them.